So what's up, guys? It's your boy D Smith. So Key Glock and artist signed to Young Dolph has released a statement after Dolph shooting. Damn, bro, I'm lost. My heart is torn. My brain about to explode. It hurts. When I breathe, why you have to leave me soon? I never be the same. You was my left hand man, my brother, my cousin, my mentor, and drink partner. For the past 2 years, I've been taking loss after loss and still can't understand why first it was my pops, then my auntie, then my grandma, and now you, he wrote. He goes on to say, I know we can't question God, but God, why? There's nothing no one can do or say to bring you back, and that shit just eats me up by the second. Nigga, you was Phil Jackson, and I was your MJ. Remember I told you I got your back no matter what? I guarantee that. Exclamation point, exclamation point. Words really can't explain how I truly feel right now. I'm so sick to my stomach, bruh. Peace ain't even working. All I see is darkness. Only God knows how much you meant to me. Long live Dolph. Hashtag best friend. Hashtag Dummer. Hashtag them niggas. Hashtag family not friends. Hashtag paper route for life. Rest in peace, Dolph. Shout out to Key Glock. What's up? It's your boy D Smith. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Auntie.